ocean keeps the internet online. In fact, 99% of all the international data is transferred to labyrinth of cables stretching across the floor of world's ocean. Underwater cables are the invisible force driving the modern internet. Mariana Trench, the deepest part of the ocean, also called as Challenger Deep, located beneath the western Pacific Ocean. Extremely huge amount of up to 20 million tons of untouchable gold is under ocean. It is indeed fact that gold is contained in underwater. The world's biggest underwater fall located at Denmark Strait is bigger than the Angel Waterfall. 3/4 of all volcanic activity on Earth occurs as deep underwater eruption. The effect of this eruption cannot be seen from the surface of the ocean. There are even underwater lakes and rivers. Well, these lakes and rivers form when seawater seeps up through the thick layer of salt, which are present beneath the ocean. There are more historic artifacts under the ocean than in all the world's museum. Around of all, many have been found. The longest mountain range is Mid-Ocean Ridge of 40,389 miles. The Pacific Ocean is wider than the moon. This expanse of ocean is 12,300 miles across, which is more than the 5 times of the diameter of moon. Lake Vostok is the largest of Antarctica from the almost 400 known lakes. It is located at southern pole of cold under the surface. The surface of this freshwater lake is approximately 4,000 meters, 13,100 feet.